Mudge here from Golden Motor. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the grips on the Lekkie Pacemaker. So a little bit about the Pacemaker. It's designed and manufactured by Lekkie, and they're known for their quality products. The Lekkie Pacemaker specifically is an excellent quality product. You have to use it to feel the difference from like a normal throttle. The Lekkie Pacemaker is also compatible. It's a universal throttle, so it's compatible with Bafang, CYC, hub motors, any pre-built bikes, as long as it uses the 3-pin connectors. If the connecting pins are different, then you can always just splice it and connect the right pins. The pinout is on our website. So the Pacemaker comes with a hard grade grip, and there's an option to upgrade it to a soft grip. This is much nicer and feels more comfortable on your hand. So customers ask us all the time on how to change the grips. So even if they know how to change the grips, they're gonna scratch up their throttle while doing it because you have to pry it up. And some customers just have trouble doing it. So I'm gonna show you guys on how to actually do it without scratching your throttle. So the first thing to identify is where this little notch is. So if you see on the Pacemakers, you'll see there's a notch there and there's a little notch there, right? The way the Pacemaker is, and you'll see on the grip side, there's a notch on one side and not the other. So the way it is, the one notch that's next to the sensor is the one that has this notch that locks in, right? So all you need to do is pry it up here, and what I like to do is use a flathead screwdriver and a little rag or a paper towel or something that can kind of cushion so you're not scratching the nice paint right there, right? So you get in there and kind of just pry it up slowly. Just make sure you're on the table so it doesn't drop on the floor. I've made that mistake in the past. So, and you just kind of pry it up, right? And that's it. So it just snaps out. So you see there's like ridges that kind of holds on to, and then there's that one notch there. So the notch always, remember, goes by the sensor. And then to put it on, all you have to do is take this. So on the sensor side, you see there's a notch right there. So the notch will match up there, and there's a notch on the other side. And then all you have to do is kind of push it in, and you're done. And it's changed. Super simple. I hope that helps you put your soft grip on and hopefully no more calluses on your hand. If you guys are having any issues with any other parts or kits, please do let me know in the comments, and hopefully I'll make a video about it. Until next time, thank you.